These are 3 things you must never do as a beginner Forex trader. I did them and it cost me a lot. So I'm telling you out of an experience, and I expect you not to repeat the same mistakes that I made. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like, subscribe and share so that you can get more of this kind of information on how to avoid little mistake that may cost you some money in your journey as a Forex trader. So number 1 is never you chase a market. Then number 2, never you be afraid of missing an opportunity. And number 3, never you feel like you know it all and you can manipulate the market. So number 1 being never you chase the market. In most cases, when people are losing in the market, okay, they feel like they want to get back their money. Okay, they want to continue trading to get back the money they have lost. This cost me a lot. In fact, I blew many accounts because of this. So in most cases, in this particular state, you don't feel anymore about your strategies. You don't feel anymore about the actions of the trade or the actions of the market. Where your whole mind is at that particular moment is, how can I get back my money? And trying to get back your money, you lose everything. At the same time, some people, when they see that the market is moving in a particular direction, they just want to chase the price. Maybe the market has already moved. You understand? They didn't enter in correct time and they just jump into the market. Maybe at that particular point that they jumped into the market may be retracing or trying to do a kind of correction, and they just lose money for no reason. Then number 2 is never you be afraid of missing an opportunity. This is the greatest mistake that many Forex traders make. Opportunities never finish in the market. You will always see opportunity every day, all the time, if you know what you are doing and if your strategy is a good one. So when you miss any opportunity, don't feel bad about it. When you see that market is trading at a particular point that you expect the market to change or reverse, don't be too quick to jump into the market. Don't be too hasty to trade or to enter a market. Allow the market to come to you. You understand? Don't push the market. Allow the market to come to you. Let the market react and give you an opportunity based on your strategy to enter and make money. I am an example of this. I always, when the market just drop to the point that I expect it to change or reverse, I always quickly jump into the market because I'm scared that in few minutes it will just reverse and leave me. So I jump into the trade. Unfortunately for me, there will be a lot of consolidation at that particular point. I will be taken out, I enter again, taken out. Then when the market will move, I have already lost the motivation, or maybe I have already lost a lot of money and I'm beginning to be scared of entering more. So I missed many opportunities because of this. I blew many accounts because of this particular behavior. And the third one is never you feel like you know it all or you can manipulate the market. Because many people, they have a lot of knowledge, they have a lot of information, they have studied a lot, read a lot of books, had many tutors, watched a lot of tutorial videos, and now they think that they know it all. When they see something, they have sentimental observation or sentimental idea of the market, feeling that, oh, this is my strategy, it must go this direction, and because of that, they lose money. They lose money. That is just the truth. So as a beginner Forex trader, please avoid these mistakes. Never you think that you know it all. Never you think that once this opportunity passes, another opportunity will never come. No. Opportunity will always come in the market. And third one, never you chase the market. See you in the next one, and remain focused and profitable.